Good morning, advanced students. We are going to talk about your assignments for the week of January 11th through the 15th, and there's only 2 of them. So here we go. Number 1 is in Go Formative, and it's on finding slope and y-intercept, and you're going to be doing it on tables, on graphs, and with equations. So it's kind of a long one, or at least the video isn't too long, but the practice is kind of long just because for every problem I'm giving you, you're finding 2 things, slope and y-intercept. But the more important one, the one that I cannot wait to do, is I've got a link to Calendly, which is a scheduling app, scheduling link, that you're going to set up a time to meet with me to discuss linear equations. It's only going to be about a 5 to 10 minute meeting. It's not going to last too long, but it is time for you and me to sit down together over a Google Meet and talk about linear equations, talk about slope, talk about y-intercept and that kind of stuff. It's just a time for me to make sure you're understanding. So here are the available times. Tuesday, nothing on Monday. Tuesday, 10 a.m. to 12. Wednesday, I'm going to have 10 to 11 and 2 to 4. Thursday, I'm going to have 10 to 12 and 1 to 2. And on Friday, I'm going to be available 9 to 11. So sometime during those times, you're going to schedule a meet with me, which leads me into the question of the week. When we meet, I am going to ask if everybody has set up a time yet. So cohort 1, you guys need to set yours up by Tuesday. Cohort 2, definitely by Thursday. I can't wait to meet with all of you guys. Have a great week.